YouTube. We outside, man. On another adventure. What the fuck? We just had to stop at Damn, bro, what about the rest of the wheels?
What you mean?
We only gonna put on one wheel?
Nah.
Alright, so throw this yeah. Pull that jack handlebar back down.
Yeah, we got wheels, man. We got wheels.
Change for these though. We got a whole set of wheels. We about to just throw on real quick. Stock wheels for the Infiniti. Take these off. They're, I don't know what's wrong with them. One of them is bent or
Son,
unbalanced. Something
it's
like
driving shaky. We'll be like this all the time. See what's up with it.
Alright, here's the old wheel. These are some Vox wheels, aftermarket wheels. Five spoke. Here's this one too with lower tread. I'm not sure which wheel it is, but one of them is bent. One of them is bent, it's not rolling right. Shaking at certain speeds on the highway and whatnot. But luckily I found these stock wheels at the junkyard. With decent tires on them. They're all the same size. You know, you got to do that for all-wheel drive. Get the same size going all the way around. About to throw on these last two and we'll see what it's looking like, what it's feeling like. I also got a headlight. See all that condensation in there? Burnt out one of the bulbs. I'm gonna see what that does. Yeah, man, just some car care today. What was the headlight out?
Yeah, the headlight's out. And there's water getting into it. So I'm just gonna push the whole headlight.
Grab the tools I needed. Get the fuck out of there, man. The junkyards be stains, y'all. That's what I'm trying to tell my little bro. They be trying to stain you, so you gotta stain them. Charge you for it. Pull that back. Charge you for every little small thing. Wires, pigtails, bulbs. That's why I had to take all the bulbs out of this one. There we go. Get everything plugged in. Nice and settled. Get the bolts in. We're gonna see if this thing works or not. There we go. There we go. And it got special blue bulbs. There we go. Get that. Oh, why did it turn off? Hold on. Yeah. Think they turn on and then turn off.
Probably not, because it's not on. Yeah, it just turned off. Probably has to be running.